Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. For today's video, I have a supremely requested video for you guys. I'm going to be talking about chemical exfoliation. Now, I already have a 101 of sorts where I talk about different chemical exfoliants and how to choose one for your skin type. So make sure you watch that video before you watch this video because that one is information packed. Now that is a more theory part. Today I'm going to show you a more practical part where I'm going to demo each and every different type of chemical exfoliant for you guys. But I have to reiterate the fact that all of these products are supposed to be used in isolation and not together. If you use them together, you will over exfoliate your skin and do more harm than good for your skin. So make sure you're using all of them separately and not together. Choose a chemical exfoliant depending on your need and your level. If you're just beginning, start with a mild one. If you're done with the mild one, then you can take it a notch higher and so on and so forth. Please do patch test before you try any of these out so that you know your skin is okay with it. Your skin might just go through a phase called as purging where it's trying to throw out the toxin so it breaks out a little. But if you continuously break out for 2 to 3 weeks after using the product, then please stop using the product and go for something milder or a different AHA or BHA altogether. I will have timestamps right here, so if you want to know just about one particular product and how to use it, then you can switch to that part. But if you want to know how to go from the beginning till the end, then please keep on watching. The first step, irrespective of what product you're going to be using, is a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil. Even if you wear or don't wear makeup, do this, because if you wear a sunscreen, even that needs to be cleansed out, and this would just ensure that your skin is clean and your pores are clean. So the chemical exfoliant can actually work better and work on your pores and doesn't have to fight the clogginess in your pores. So all you need to do is take a little bit of the balm and rub and massage on your skin for a bit. Now all balms and oils are emulsifying, so just wash them off with water and we can move on to the first category in our chemical exfoliant list. Now you have a plethora of products with chemical exfoliants in the market. The ones that I'm going to be talking about today are a face wash, scrub, mask, toner, serum and a moisturizer. The first product category we have is a face wash. What I have with me right here is the Kaya Purifying Cleanser with salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is the most common BHA available in the market, and as we know, BHAs work on a deeper skin level, so they help with acne issues as well as clogged pores. Now face wash is the most gentle form of chemical exfoliant out there because the concentration is generally pretty low, as well as the fact that it doesn't stay on your face for an elongated time. So don't expect miraculous results with face washes because they are supremely mild. What I would recommend you to do, however, is when you're washing your face, wash your face for a minimum of 2 minutes, set a timer and just massage your face gently for 2 minutes. This would give the chemical exfoliant some time to be there on the surface and work a little bit longer and work a little bit more. If you wash your face for like 20 seconds and wash it away, then the salicylic acid or the chemical exfoliant is going to do nothing for your skin and you will feel the product is trash because it's not working. So wash your face for 2 minutes and you will see a gentle difference over a period of time. Next up on our list, we have scrubs. The one that I have with me right here is the Faceshop Smart Peeling Mild Papaya. A lot of chemical exfoliant scrubs are formulated with cellulose in there, which gives a feeling that you're removing a lot of dead skin cells while it's just the cellulose spilling up on your skin. Now the way that you're supposed to use this is start off by using a very gentle, nice cleanser, and once you're done with that, dry your skin down, let it air dry, take a little bit of this scrub and start massaging it onto your skin. You would see that the cellulose starts to pill up and whatever chemical exfoliant is in there starts to work on your skin on a deeper level as well. Do this for about 3 minutes or whatever time that is mentioned on the packaging as well. I like to do it for about 3 to 4 minutes, and once that is done, I wash my face, I splash my face with some water and get rid of extra cellulose on the skin. Again, a scrub is a more gentler formulation. It's not super potent, so it's great for beginners. Next up on our list, we have masks. I have the ordinary AHA 30% BHA 2% peeling solution with me right here. Now masks are the most potent formula out there. They're meant for people who already have some experience with chemical exfoliation. Wouldn't really recommend it for beginners. This is meant for people who are already doing and know how to do chemical exfoliation. Now the way that you're supposed to use it, that once you're done with cleansing of your skin, you need to dry it down, pat dry it down or let it air dry, whatever you prefer, and after that apply this all over your face, making sure it doesn't go near your eyes or your mouth, and then leave it on for 10 minutes or as long as your packaging recommends. Please read the packaging as well, it's super important. And once your time time is up, just remove it with a little bit of water and follow up with a gentle and nice and moisturizing and hydrating skincare routine. Next up, we have the most loved and most common product out there, which is toner. I have the Pixi Glow Tonic with me right here, which is 5% glycolic acid, which really helps in exfoliating your skin. The way that you're supposed to use it, once you're done with washing your face, a face mask, normal clay mask is optional here. You can do a clay mask if you prefer to do that, or you can totally skip that as well. Take this, you can take it either on your hands or on a cotton pad and just apply it all over your face, making sure you don't go near your eyes or your mouth. And after that, follow it up with a nice and hydrating serum and a moisturizer. Next up, we have serums, and I have the Suganda AHA Serum with me right here. Serums are anyway supposed to be packed with whatever actives that they have, and this one is at 10%, so it is slightly on the higher side of things. So make sure you're on the intermediate level. You're not just a beginner. You can use this once you are used to a face wash and a scrub, and then you can start with this once you're done with those. Now, the way that you're supposed to use this is, again, wash your face with a normal cleanser, and after that, once you're done with the very hydrating toner, take this and apply it all over your face, again making sure not near the eyes or the mouth. And once it's nicely absorbed into the skin, you can move on to the other steps and follow it up with a nice oil. Before moving on to the last product, which is a sleeping pack, as I do prefer to chemically exfoliate my skin at night time because my skin gets 10 to 12 hours of no sun exposure, so that helps in more recovery as well as no photosensitivity on your skin. But if you are going to be chemically exfoliating in daytime, please make sure the last step of your skincare routine is a sunscreen, so that your skin doesn't become photosensitive, so you don't end up doing more harm than good for your skin. Another thing to keep in mind is that you can do and incorporate in your chemical exfoliation routine is that whatever product that you're using for chemical exfoliation, the next step of your skincare routine can have a hyaluronic acid. Chemical exfoliation ensures that whatever you put on top of it, like after it, gets absorbed into the skin really nicely. For example, if you're going to be doing a chemical exfoliating face wash, use a hyaluronic acid based toner. If you're going to be using a chemical exfoliant toner, use a serum that has hyaluronic acid, so on and so forth. I hope that's clear to you guys. Now, moving on to the last category, which is a sleeping pack, I have the Too Cool for School Pumpkin Sleeping Pack. This is an enzyme sleeping pack. What it does is that it really helps in exfoliating your skin overnight. Again, this is a rather milder formulation. It's not super intensive on the skin, so it's great for beginners. How I like to use this is, once I'm done with washing my face, I like to apply a clay mask so that my skin is nice and clean, but again, it's optional. After that, I go in with my serum. I don't apply my toner, I go directly into my serum, and then I top it off with this enzyme sleeping pack so that it can work on my skin and really exfoliate it overnight. And in the morning, I follow it up with a nice and caring, gentle hyaluronic acid based skincare routine so that my skin can really retain the moisture and just helps in my skin looking more plump and more dewy. Now let's do a comparison chart so you guys know about the products and how they fare when compared to other products, how many times to use them and how effective they are. Let's start off with the face wash. You can use the face wash on a daily basis because it's a gentler formulation and it's not too potent and not too stripping on the skin. It's not the most effective, so you do have to give it a lot of time, so please do keep that in mind. Now, a cellulose based face scrub is supposed to be used maximum of 2 times in a week so that your skin can recover and repair in between. This is great for beginners as well as for intermediate people who have some experience of chemical exfoliation, as it's not supremely gentle but not supremely potent as well. It's somewhere in between, so great for almost every skin type. Next up, we have the super potent mask, and this is supposed to be used maximum once a week so that your skin can repair and recover as well. This is meant for people who have experience in chemical exfoliation, and I wouldn't really recommend it to beginners. Toners can be used every day, but make sure you use it once a day because I do feel using it AM and PM can overly sensitize your skin. So use it once a day, and toners are great for beginners as well as intermediate people as they're again a more milder formulation. Serums can be used daily, but make sure you are aware about the percentage and how well your skin can take it. If it's a lower percentage, you can use it in the morning as well as at the night, but if it's a higher percentage, say above 5%, then use it only at night time so that your skin has enough time to repair overnight. And lastly, for something like a sleeping pack, I would recommend using it maximum 3 times a week so that again your skin has some time in between to repair and recover. I would recommend it to beginners as well as intermediate people so that your skin can get used to a higher level of chemical exfoliation, and a chemical exfoliation that is a longer lasting one. You're not going to be washing it off, so it's going to stay on your skin throughout the night. And yes, with that we finished this video. I hope it cleared all of your doubts about how to incorporate a product in your chemical exfoliation routine, how to go about it, how to use it, what to follow it up with, and everything. And yes, that's going to be it for this video. Do let me know if you have any other video requests down in the comment section, and I would love to do it for you guys. I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.